power of automation, changing your life for the better. The word automation before, but do you really understand what it can do for you and the world around you? Today, we're diving into something that could completely change your life, your work, and even the way you see the world. It's called automation, and it's not just for big companies or robots on factory floors. It's something that can help you save time, make your life easier, and even open doors to amazing new opportunities. What is automation? Automation is when machines or systems do jobs that people usually do. Sounds pretty cool, right? It's like having a robot that does the dishes or a computer that helps you organize your day. And it's happening everywhere, whether you see it or not. 1. Saving time. Get more out of every day. Imagine waking up and instead of spending time making your breakfast, your smart toaster already knows your favorite setting. Then, your smart coffee machine brews the perfect cup for you, and your phone reminds you of the most important things you need to do. Sounds like a dream? Well, this is automation at work. Real-life example. Think about the last time you had to set up a meeting or send an email reminder. You probably spent some time doing it manually, but with automation, software can send out all those reminders and manage your calendar for you, freeing up hours every week. Why it's motivating? By letting machines handle small, repetitive tasks, you have more time to focus on things that matter, whether that's growing your career, spending time with loved ones, or following your dreams. Time is precious, so why not make the most of it? 2. Saving money. Do more for less. Now, let's talk about money. Who doesn't want to save a little? Automation can help you save a lot by cutting down the costs of doing things manually. When you don't need as many people to do repetitive tasks, businesses can use that money in better ways, maybe to pay their workers better or invest in new opportunities. Real-life example. Take an online store. If they're using automation for customer service, their system can answer hundreds of questions at the same time, without a human. This means they don't need to hire 20 customer service agents to answer the same questions over and over. Why it's motivating? Automation isn't just for big companies, it's for you too. You could use apps that help you automate your bills, savings, or even make your home energy efficient, saving you money every single day. 3. Quality that's always the same. No more mistakes. Have you ever tried to make something and it didn't turn out like you planned? Automation can help ensure that things are always done right. It's like a robot making sure your favorite video game is always ready to play without glitches. Real-life example. Think about when you buy a toy and it's perfectly made every time. That's thanks to automation. Robots in factories put things together in the same exact way every time, making sure you get the same quality. Why it's motivating? When you know things will always turn out right, you feel confident. Automation helps people create high-quality work that people can trust, whether it's a delicious pizza or a great school project. 4. Safety first. Let's protect ourselves. Here's something that might surprise you. Automation can actually keep us safe. There are certain jobs, like working with dangerous chemicals, lifting heavy things, or doing risky surgeries, that could hurt us. But machines can do these jobs, keeping people safe from harm. Real-life example. In hospitals, robots can help doctors do surgeries with more precision. And in factories, robots can handle heavy lifting and dangerous work that used to be done by humans. These machines reduce accidents and save lives. Why it's motivating? Think about the things you love to do and how you can do them safely. Whether it's playing sports or doing something creative, automation can help protect people while they do their jobs, allowing them to focus on what they love. 5. Bigger ideas. Let your mind explore. So far, we've talked about how automation helps you save time, money, and makes things safer. But the most exciting thing? It lets your mind explore new possibilities. When machines do the boring stuff, you can focus on the cool, creative things that only you can do. Real-life example. Think about how technology has given rise to entire new industries. People used to work on farms all day. But with automated tractors and farming tools, many people switched to technology, creating amazing new things like video games, apps, and even flying cars. Why it's motivating? You could be the one who brings the next great idea to life. When automation handles the tasks you don't want to do, Your brain has the freedom to create something world-changing. 6. Building the future together. Let's create a better world. Finally, here's the most important part. Automation is here to help everyone. It's not just about saving time or making things easier for businesses. It's about creating a better future for all of us. It's about working together to build systems that help people everywhere, whether it's through smarter cities, better education, or healthier environments. Real-life example. Think about how renewable energy is powered by automation, solar panels that track the sun, or wind turbines that adjust based on the wind speed. These technologies help us save the planet while making energy more affordable for everyone. Why it's motivating? You have the chance to be part of this transformation. Whether you're working on new technologies, helping people learn, or just sharing your ideas, you're contributing to a future where automation creates positive change for everyone. 7. Equal service access. The power of automation to create fairness for all. Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about something really important: equal service access and how automation is changing the game for everyone. No matter where you live, what you do, or who you are, automation is making services more equal and accessible for all of us. Let's dive into how this powerful tool is helping to break down barriers and create a world where everyone gets the same opportunities, no matter their circumstances. The takeaway: embrace automation. Transform your life. Automation is not just about machines doing work. It's about changing your life for the better, giving you more time, money, and opportunities to grow. It's about freeing up your mind so you can dream bigger, work smarter, and create amazing things. Remember, automation isn't a threat, it's a tool. A tool that, if you embrace it, can help you achieve more than you ever thought possible. So go ahead, let automation work for you. The future is in your hands.